Hey guys, Miss Phillips here. I just wanted to hop on and do a quick little explanation of the inequalities poster. As a reminder, this will not be due until the end of the day tomorrow. So you have today, Tuesday, and tomorrow, Wednesday, to work on this poster. It's going to count as a quiz grade, so make sure that you pay close attention to the directions and that you email me or come to a Google Meet if you have questions. All right, let's see. The assignment overview. Your goal is to create a poster or slide showing what you know about inequalities. Your poster's due Wednesday before you go to bed. You have today and tomorrow to complete the assignment. Like I said, this will be a quiz grade. You can create your poster digitally, so you could create something on Google Docs using pictures you find online or using Google Draw and inputting pictures. You could make something on Google Slides using the templates they have, or you could just use a sheet of blank paper, like white computer paper or construction paper that you have around the house. So you have some choice and some flexibility here with your project. You can do it online, or you can just use paper, pencil, markers, and such. Your poster must be shared with me through Google or email. So if you do it digitally, just go ahead and share it with me. And if you do it on a sheet of paper, you're going to have to take a picture of it or have your parents take a picture of it, and then you can email it to me. Let me know if you need help with that. All right, requirements for your poster. It should be original, so your own work, your own ideas, neat and creative. Make sure your poster includes the definition of an inequality, what it is, examples of inequalities, using numbers, symbols, or even real-life examples, and an example of how to graph an inequality on a number line. At least one example, but might want to put more than one on there. And again, it needs to be shared with me via Google or emailed picture before you go to bed on Wednesday. If you have questions, email me. It's the quickest way to get in contact. We can always set up a Google Meet so you can ask me your questions face to face. And make sure you talk to each other. Call, email, text, FaceTime with people from class. You are 100% allowed to help each other or even complete the assignment at the same time. But everyone should turn in their own work. Here are some examples or ideas to get your creative juices flowing. I'm going to move that one up so you can see. All right, some examples using numbers, symbols, how to graph it. And here are some more examples or ideas. So hopefully that will provide you with a little creative inspiration to get you going. I will post this video, obviously, and I'll also share the link to this PowerPoint so you have it and can refer back to it. All right, guys, happy poster making. Can't wait to see them. Be creative, use color, and do your best. Looking forward to seeing them. All right, talk to you later. Bye.